Another vlog, man. Another vlog of my journey. So we in El Paso, Texas. Stuck in El Paso for the weekend, man. It sucks, right? I had like 4 or 5 different loads coming out of here, but the load I was dropping off here, by the time I reached here, man, the brokers wanted to pick it up early, so they ended up giving it away. So I get it, I understand. So I'm out here, I'm headed to the gym. I went to a gym yesterday, I think it was Planet Fitness. It ain't my type of gym, man. It's straight, but I like the big gyms, you know. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm going to a crunch 20 minutes away, but it seemed like I drove forever to get here. But it's actually kind of beautiful out here, man. I'm loving the scenery, man, with the mountains and stuff. Remind me of them cowboy movies I used to watch growing up. And I went to a Jamaican spot yesterday. The food was decent. I gave it to him. So, you know, I'm about to start vlogging all the Jamaican spots. So y'all get ready, I'm coming. If your food nasty, I'm gonna talk about you. I ain't gonna put your name on, but I might take your name out if the food nasty. If the food nasty, I'm taking your name. I'm like, you know what I mean? But yeah, I might hit this crunch right quick. See what this crunch is talking about. I have nothing better to do. So after I do this, I'm gonna go back to the truck, start shower up, do some studying. I got some studying to do, man. I'm working on some things, you know, it's business things. So you know, see, I always have to work on business things. So I gotta go back and do some studying. But y'all with me today, man. I don't know if I'm a vlog, I'm gonna record.
Turn left onto Beethoven Drive.
I don't know if I'm gonna record while I'm working out. You know, it's a distraction, man. It's a distraction to be recording while you're working out. And I don't have my tripod. So, yeah. I just know I'm going to the gym. We'll see if I can. Tankers, everything out there. What you want to do, huh? I don't want to do nothing. All right, we here, y'all. Yeah. We here. They right there. Yeah, we here though. I go get it in real quick. Cardio. It's crazy. It's good cardio. Tricep, bicep, data. Just started. Warm up. Time to go get in, huh? That is it, folks. Workout done. I mean, yeah, I ain't recording none of it. It's a distraction. Pausing and stopping the phone and, you know. So, yeah. That's it. I'm about to find something to eat. Well, probably go find like a smoothie. So I don't feel like eating much. But I feel like put something in the stomach. So I'll probably find like a smoothie or something. Yeah, man, y'all with me. What is this? I don't know what's going on around here, boy. It's bad for that driver. Look at that. That's a whole trailer right there. Hey, Mr. George, how much you pay the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much. That's too much. Real. Yo. What's up, y'all? I'm at Denny's. What's up with the Denny's? I'm at Denny's about eating some food, man. I was yearning for some cooked food. I was about to go to the Jamaican restaurant last night. I had got Rasta pasta, whatever. I wanted fish, but they said the fish take $45. I could have sworn the price was different. So I looked it up online. I was about to call it in before I get there. So that's Scalise fish, $52. What? I said, oh, never mind. I hit it with an oh, never mind. So yeah, now I'm at Denny's. And much I eat on that menu, really. I really only supposed to be eating eggs. I had stopped eating eggs, stopped eating cheese. But I ordered potatoes, eggs, and cheese. I saw the salmon, but for some reason the salmon picture didn't catch my eye. Yeah, I'm a picture guy. I'm the guy that reads books with pictures. So, yeah, I'm about to eat some dinner, man. Like, going, man. After that, go back to the truck and just chill. I had a little study session earlier. I didn't finish studying, though. I kept falling asleep. So I said, all right, I'm going to study tomorrow. I don't like studying when I'm tired. I mean, I'm not going to hold nothing there. So I said, I'm going to start over tomorrow and start studying just so I can get it right. Next project on the way, y'all. But I taught y'all when I walked back. Judge me, I failed. I know. I even failed here. Soda. I don't even drink juice. That's what I ordered. I wanted ginger ale, but they ain't had none, so it's right. I wanted some tea, really, but they ain't had the type of tea I like, because I don't drink tea with sugar. They had black tea, green tea. I don't like neither one without sugar. Hot tea. Talking about, guys, some island. Nobody judge me. Don't judge me. Working today. I ain't go to Crunch today. Crunch a little too far. I'm going to this Planet Fitness right next to me. I gotta pick up my little key anyway. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record. But we'll see. You know, I'm more chill today. Today I don't really quite have nothing planned to do. So today I might do a little cardio. Cardio is every day though. Do cardio. Might do back and chest. I don't really do chest. I do push-ups like every day. You know, so might just do some chest today. My shirt got messed up, so it's a gym shirt now. Change the plan. I might have to go to that Crunch. There's nobody here staffed. It's 11 o'clock. It's not 9 o'clock. I ain't got time to wait till 11. There's people in there. It's open, but you know it's 24 hours, but you gotta have a little key thing. And there's nobody here to open it. So I ain't waiting till that. Find another gym. You know, I'm signed up with everybody. Hey, I'm back. I went to Crunch. I literally did 10 minutes in the gym. I got a call for one of my broker friend that wanted me to pick up a load from, I guess, a guy that have an issue delivering the load tomorrow. So I'll go pick up that load and drop it off.
In 600 feet, continue straight to stay on Founders Boulevard.
GPS. Go pick up that load and drop it off tomorrow morning.
Continue straight to stay on Founders Boulevard.
Shout out to the GPS. They're haters. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow morning.
Continue for 1 mile.
Oh my gosh. Pretty much. I'm pick up the load and drop it off tomorrow morning. GPS pisses me off. Pick up the load, drop it off tomorrow morning. Quick and easy. I think it's like 2 pallets. It better not be more than that. That's it. Hey, easy money, man. It ain't paying a whole bunch of money, but it's definitely paying more than enough for it. You know? Shoot. Hey, man. The brokers don't like that. Brokers don't care for us, so I don't care for them either. Ain't no deal. You ain't getting no deal with me. No. Beef with brokers. We're right next to Army base. Boy, that window's dirty, boy. There you go, y'all. Picked it up from Sprinterville. All right, y'all. Just picked up that load. Literally where it goes at, which is like 15 minutes from where the truck stop at I'm staying at. So I ain't really had to use no miles. I just come over here, I guess, which is like 10 miles. But I dropped that off. It's at 8 o'clock. Told the broker I wasn't gonna take it unless it was early in the morning. Cause don't sleep on them brokers. They will play you. Don't sleep on them. They will play you. So yeah, took longer than it should, man. The dude was like, he didn't have no hurry about it. You know, we had to move. I had to move the pallets. It was only one pallet actually off the Sprinter van. It was like he didn't have no way how to do it. I mean, like he figure out an idea. You know, I had to come up. I had to be figuring everything out. I said, man, I feel like I'm. You know, you gonna help out a female. Nothing against y'all females, but no hell y'all get defensive. Like, dang, bro. But yeah, I figured it out, man. Got it on there. It was a struggle though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now I can't go to the gym because I have a schedule for today. I'm supposed to be studying at a certain time. I'm supposed to be eating at a certain time. I have a meeting at 1:30. I have a meeting at 5:30. And it's now, wow. It's almost time. It's almost time. I'm mad. Yep. Might go find something to eat though. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? Here it now, Monday morning. I'm out here in El Paso, man. Still, man. I don't know, man. Friday was a lot of lows. For some reason today, it's not a lot of lows. Not a lot of lows out here. I refuse to be stuck here, man. I refuse to be stuck here. But see, this is the thing about my channel, man. I'm gonna give you the good and the bad. All them other YouTubers, truck YouTubers, they ain't gonna tell you this. They're gonna make it seem like everything smooth all the time. Hey, everything is smooth all the time for me. Up there. But boy, it's not even morning. I don't even think it's morning no more. Can't find no load, man. I don't know. I don't see nothing going my way. Everything going to California, Colorado, Arizona, Utah, places I'm not trying to go. I don't see nothing going my way. And if it is, it's a good distance away. Where the heck did I park? I don't even remember where I parked. Oh, there I go. But yeah, but I'm going to leave it off right here. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lando. You know, I am the man. Everybody know that. But yeah, that's what made my channel so different, man. I get the good and the bad. Yup, I was stuck in Texas the whole weekend. They ain't gonna tell you that. But I was. All because of me. But not really. Well, yeah, because of me. I reached Texas a little bit too late, man, and I had loads set up. Either the brokers, they moved it to Monday, or they gave it away. Probably should have booked something for Monday. It's all good though, man. You win some, lose some, but you live. I have a good one, man. It's your boy Lindo. I am the man, though.